Every software team knows this struggle, racing against deadlines to catch every bug before release. It's a balancing act covering all user paths, devices, and edge cases while managing limited resources. But no matter how hard teams try, some bugs still slip through, frustrating users and costing companies valuable time and money. Meet ContextQA, the AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way software teams test their products. With ContextQA, the entire testing process from planning to execution and analysis is automated. No more juggling complex scenarios or worrying about missed bugs. ContextQA frees your team to focus on what truly matters: building great software. Here's how ContextQA works. Step 1. The AI reviews project documents or live user sessions, automatically generating detailed test scenarios, even the tricky edge cases. Step 2. It syncs seamlessly with tools like JIRA, so test creation starts the moment development does. Step 3. Testing stays in step with your sprint cycles, providing highly accurate, low-maintenance tests that adapt as your product evolves. ContextQA is more than just automation, it's comprehensive testing, from performance to security. Our platform tackles all major testing types. Each test delivers a detailed report, with root cause analysis and actionable insights to fix issues fast. Visuals of reusable test modules being dragged and dropped effortlessly. Plus, with reusable modules and parameterized scenarios, maintaining your tests has never been easier. Scaling for large projects, ContextQA has you covered. Our platform supports mobile apps, cross-browser testing, and diverse environments, all managed within one unified tool. With ContextQA, you get efficiency, accuracy, and confidence in your testing process. No critical path is missed. No bug goes unnoticed. Deliver bug-free, high-quality software on time, every time. Thank you.
What if quality was not just a checkpoint, but something built in from the very beginning? Software today is more complex, more code, more testing, more compliance, and more at stake with every release. Developers spend up to 40% of their time debugging and fixing. That is time lost from building features. ContextQA is designed to follow the entire software lifecycle, not just after development, but from the very first idea. It captures product goals, application behavior, and user needs. And now, with Coditos, developer intent too. As you write code, Coditos understands the context and generates the right tests: unit, integration, and functional. Tests are generated in seconds and run instantly across environments. Failures are flagged before they are committed. Bugs are caught at the source, not after deployment. No switching tools, just one click to fix and move forward. Whether it is performance dips, insecure coding patterns, or accessibility gaps, Coditos flags the issue, proposes the fix, and applies it. Ensures secure coding guidelines and best practices followed at every phase. Coditos gets smarter with every cycle, improving coverage, detecting missed paths, and strengthening your code base. This is not just shift left, this is shift zero. ContextQA and Coditos stop bugs at inception, saving time, cost, and complexity. Smarter context, cleaner code, zero compromise quality.
In today's fast-moving software world, testing everything isn't just expensive, it's impossible. Engineering and QA teams need to focus their efforts where it matters most. With risk-based testing in ContextQA, we help you prioritize testing based on actual business risk, so your QA resources focus on the most critical features, not just the latest code changes. ContextQA evaluates each feature and module based on business impact, usage frequency, historical defects, and technical complexity, then calculates a dynamic risk score. These scores drive an intelligent test plan, targeting high-risk areas first. You see clearly what needs attention and when. ContextQA integrates seamlessly with your existing CI/CD pipeline to automatically trigger prioritized test suites with every build. Teams using risk-based testing with ContextQA see a 30% drop in execution time and catch 40% more critical defects earlier in the cycle. With ContextQA, testing becomes smarter, not just faster. Start prioritizing what matters with AI-powered risk-based testing. Visit ContextQA.com to schedule your personalized demo.